Championship Series.
And the Spring Split champions open up Summer with a massive victory.
Niels jumped on by Lulex. Does he have the damage? Condemned against the wall. Yes, he does. Niels is unstoppable.
Holy moly, what did Rio eat for breakfast?
Nukta's gonna look for the Quadra. Can he get it? He does! Quadra kill for Nukta. Ladies and gentlemen, Fnatic versus Origin. And this is the game we all wanted. Fnatic put on a fantastic performance. The original fan favorites. They will take down Origin. He gets it! The Bandit steals the Baron!
With that loss, the Copenhagen Wolves now find themselves in automatic relegation. I do not think this will be the last we've seen of these 5 players.
SK Gaming has had a lot of troubles finding success so far.
He's trying to defend. Bird is the word.
Take a look at this. Holy moly. Construction Mechanics is in the house.
A quadra kill just like that for the Oriana. A pentakill for Power of Evil.
Diamond though, he's gonna go in for the gang and
Set up! I demand a replay of that.
Fnatic will become the first team in LCS history to do it. The perfect split, 18-0.
Time for the quarterfinals in the European LCS.
Be like
That's a 3-man. The Unicorns of Love are on to the Nexus. Knocking Rocket out of the playoffs. H2K will be advancing to face Origin.
Go Origin, go! Origin all split long have been a really, really strong team.
H2K get aced. Origin, now they're going to Stockholm in the finals. Reckless is running. He's got the pentakill. He's got the pentakill. Reckless and Fnatic will be heading to the summer finals. Welcome to the European LCS Summer Split Finals. Jon is looking for Bartek and he's going to find him. That's going to be the quadra kill. H2K 3-0 the Unicorn. For the first time in 3 months, 12 weeks, 6 patches, one team added 1 loss to Fnatic's roster, and it's Origin.
Solis got it!
It's game 5 in the Summer Split Finals, and we have a mini base race on our hands. Reckless gets the kill on Beckett, and they're going to Worlds. They will represent Europe as the #1 seed. There will be one more team going to Worlds. The pressure is now on Origin. The final game of our regional qualifier. Mid laners are starting to roam. 2 men get hit by the flame. Nice. Here comes Pekka. Emperor's Divine throws Horo into Neil's waiting hand. The second best team in Europe. Origin pushing Fnatic all the way. Getting pushed by Rocket. Obliterate Unicorns of Love and book their tickets to Paris.
Origin!